Alright guys, today we're going to tear down an HDC4 that was in our Hyundai Veloster. It's been in there for 2 show seasons, so you can imagine how much hell it's been through. This one actually started making some noise, and this is on the passenger side, and we're going to assume that it's from unloading issues whenever the door gets open. So let's tear into this and see what we can find. Have a look there at the top of the pole piece. The former on the top looks pretty good, so I don't see anything that's been rubbing too bad. Of course, we'll be able to see it once we get down in there. So after we get the cone off, you're going to go through a couple layers of spiders, and it's going to be kind of difficult with a box knife, but we should be able to make it through. Oh, there we go. So 2 seasons, beating the living hell out of them, clipping the living hell out of them in our demo car. You see there's a little bit of scraping right there where it started going non-linear. I bet if we look on this side, you're pretty good. I don't see anything in the gap, so I can tell you when we're looking at it before we took it out, if you look, this is where the cone, and this is what we consider the triple joint where they connect. You see a little bit of tearing right where the cone was at. So that's where our failure came in. Like I said, that's going to be due to just being full throttle on it and then somebody taps out and opens the door. But the spiders look real good. There's no tearing, even on the bottom joint. Overall, this coil, for having a single 4500 watt amp on it, looks pretty damn good. There's no burning. Like I said, just a little bit of scraping that we have right here from it going non-linear. So that's that. We're going to tear down the other one, but before we do so, we are actually going to put it on a bench, and we will run it through a very clean signal, and then we'll take it and we'll run it through a very clipped signal and blow it up for you guys. So stay tuned.